Hello, we're going to learn about the beginning of the Python print. So first, install VS Code and then put a new file and yeah. We'll start right now.
Our first script.
Okay, guys. So the daily question is, what is Python? Python is a coding language where it's like a coding language like HTML and JavaScript. You guys heard of it, right? If you guys never heard of it, you guys first got to go to Google, and then you gotta go to Google and then search up a Python editor. Python editor, and maybe put the closest Python editor, and then let's get started. Oh, by the way, clear the code. Okay, let's get started about the first script we're gonna learn about. So the first script we're gonna learn about is print. What is print? Oh wow. So our question for today is, what is print? Print is a script where it displays some text. So if you put the input, you input print something like hello, then yeah, remember the parentheses and the double quotes. Now you want to put output. Then guys, guess what? Okay, friends, guess what it'll output. 3, 2, 1. Like I said, print displays a word. So when it says print, when it comes to hello, you put hello. Easy. Okay, guys, we have been done with our first script. Now we're gonna learn how to actually use it. So for print, you want to remember what it said? It displays things. So if you want to actually use print, you need to. Then that means you can display text. And so if you say print. So if you say print hello, what would it print? Well, you get an error, right? Exactly, you get an error. Because, remember, you need double quotes and the parentheses, okay? Now we're going to use practice. We're going to use some practice, okay?
Practicing print.
Okay, so Python. Okay, let's go for practicing print. So once again, print is somewhere you can display is somewhere like you can display things on the screen. So you can use so let's try printing your name, okay? Put any script you want, okay? I'll give you a few seconds. Okay, guys, the 10 seconds is up. Let's see what you got. So if you put your own, hold on, wait. So you gotta use parent, okay? And then you guys gotta put your name, and that's done. Boom. And your output is your name, okay? Now let's do another thing about it. So print is also useful for storing variables. So in the meantime, storing variables will be the next one we're gonna learn later. Okay, guys. Thanks for practicing with me. I know it's just talking about your name, but it's displaying about your name. Okay. Later on, we're gonna talk about the summary now. Okay.
Summary.
Okay, so for a summary, what we learned today is making Python. What is Python? And your first script, print. Okay, guys? And that is all for today. And please, if it's worth a like and sub, thank you so much. We lost some subscribers recently, so we're trying to get back on track. And yeah, I haven't uploaded in a while. So please, like and subscribe to learn more Python. Anyway, bye.